So moving on to the proactive account now, which is the one where I'm sort of medium risk. I'm not low risk or high risk. So current value, as you saw, was to $9,263, right? So I had started this account with about $5,000, not mistaken, about 5,000 to 5,005, something like that. So you can see here, this is the proactive account. I'm going to put down the first year. So this has started a bit later, don't forget. So this was 2017 to 2018. And the profit here you can see is $104. So you can see my trades here, right? It's not just gold. I'm trading currency pairs. I'm trading gold. I'm trading. I don't think I started trading stocks here yet, did I? No, not yet. This year I was still trading currency pairs, gold, and maybe a bit of oil, if I recall correctly. But I was going into different channels, different sort of opportunities, as you call them, or sectors, and I found that it's working out for me. I started getting familiar, right? This is the key point. This is where it's key. You got to get familiar with what you're trading with. You have to sort of connect with what you're trading with. You have to know what's the fundamentals in those markets, like Euro USD, gold or oil. What influences these currencies or these commodities, and what's their trend like? Where are you going to enter? Where are you going to exit? So again, I was just going in and coming up with small profits. And don't forget, this was about 3 years ago. And if you look at my profits, it's quite pathetic. I'm looking at this here. I'm way better than I am now than at that time. I'm looking at these trades again for the first time in a long time, and wow. As you can see, I've been pretty much getting a little bit here, a little bit there, and being happy with that, because look, overall, when I'm looking at my equity, it's still decent returns, right? So that was my performance in the first year. And then if we move on to the next year, which is 2018 to 2019, you're looking at $660 profit. So that's about around a 10% profit on my equity, right? Because at that point, I think I had about 6,000 maybe, or 5,000 something. So it's still above 10,000. So slightly better there. And you can see over here, Deutsche Bank. This is when I first started trading stocks on this with this broker, right? So I went into stocks at this point, and again, I was coming out very quickly. I was just going in and coming out as soon as I made profit, and I was still making some heavy losses there. You can see Euro USD. I had held on to those for quite a while, and I came out in a loss, but I think I made some good money with swap charges. But overall, it's a loss because I was losing big. I had went into Euro USD at a very wrong time, and I came out of it at a pretty decent amount actually. But overall for that year, the profit's been all right, $600. From about $5,000 to $6,000. So now I think I have about 6,000 odd going into the next year, which is 2019 to 2020. And as you can see, that profit for the year is 1,985. So that is a big jump, right? That is about a 33% return on equity. So I've been getting things right. I've been sort of being comfortable with trading and understanding what I'm doing. And as you can see, there's new currencies there. There's Swiss dollar, there's Volkswagen, there's US oil, which actually I don't trade anymore, but I was just doing that for fun. That trade was for fun. So and you can see AT&T there as well. So I was trading a mixture of stocks, commodities, and as well as stocks and commodities and currency pairs. So the point is, I sort of hit that sweet spot where I started getting money consistently. And as you can see, this is over a few periods, right?